What would you say are some of the required elements of a successful sale of architectural metal and PAC-CLAD products? Is there a real or imagined checklist that reps go through on a sales call to make sure that the customer gets what he or she really needs and what would really work on the building?
For Peterson, it starts in the beginning and it starts with the architect. And if we do our work up front with the architect, getting the right product specified, the right application and all the details taken care of, one would hope that the rest of the process, all the hard work is done. But that's not the case necessarily because, we must maintain being curious with what our customers are trying to do. We need to ask them, what are they doing with this product? They may know that they want a flush panel, but they may be trying to use it in an application that panel is just not going to perform. So asking a lot of questions about what the job is, what their needs are, again, reassuring the end user that we're giving them the product that they desire for that project. The other part of that whole equation is timing, right? If an architect puts out a project and a contractor is awarded and he needs to start in September, Halloween is not the day that you put that order together and try to get it placed to deliver, the second week in September. So timing is everything, and being part of that sales process, being a partner with the customer is really the best thing that we can do.